Say hello, Lemmy. Hello. Hi, Lemmy. This is Lemmy, our little lovebird. Moving on. And this is a rescue bird that we have. It turned out to be a boy, and this is Svina, but we call her Sven now. Her parents like to pluck the feathers off of her head, so she's growing some feathers back. She's a very sweet whistler. Come on, give us a whistle, Svina. Hi, Svina. Hi, Svina. Hello. Oh, she doesn't want to say anything today. And now we'll move over to Lily. And this is Lily, our lesser sulfur cockatoo. Hi, Lil. Hi, Lil. Say hi, Lily. Oh, here's Lily. Hi, Lil. Say hi, Lily. Hi, Lil. Hello. Hi, Lil. Okay. You gonna say hi, Lil? No. Okay. And we have, this is Big Bird, our baby. Who's an escape artist. Hello, Big Bird. Hello, Big Bird. Say hello. Here he comes. Here he comes. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Step up. Step up. Yes. Say hello. That's a good boy. Huh? Yeah. And this is our bird tree. Come on. And he likes to hang out in his tree that we've made for him, and he walks around up there. Hello, Big Bird. Got some tricks for us today? Come on, show us how you hang. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. There's Harley. He's a recent adoption. He's slightly aggressive, but we're working on him. He's getting better every day. He barks like a dog. Come on, give us a couple more. Come on. Oh, Big Bird's showing off for us. He's hanging there by his toes. And here is our Electus named Lucas. Here comes Harley. He's gonna get me. Hi, Harley. Be good. You gonna bark? Be the doggy.
Hello.
This is Lucas. He's got a sweet face. He's like the old man. He's kind of a special needs bird. He's got deformed feet. He was born that way. We had adopted him also. There's his feet. He doesn't get around very well. Say hello, Lucas. Hello. Anyway, moving on. Back to Harley. He's barking like a dog. Peekaboo. What else you got? Give him something different. Ruff. Ruff. Come on, what else you got? You gonna show off for us today? Come on. Oh, he's a show off. All right, moving on. Here's our crazy little bird, Kayla. She's a Kaik. Say hi, Kayla. Kayla, pretty Kayla. Hello. Here's Gizmo. He's a very aggressive, mature male, double yellow front Amazon.
Hello.
We try to get him out, but you got to watch out with him. Come on, talk to me, Giz. Whatever. He's got a foul mouth too, so he swears quite a bit. We don't know how old he is. He's been through a few homes. Hello, Gizmo. Hello. Come on. All right. Moving on from this. Oh, you gonna talk? Come on, you big chicken. He's known to take a chunk out of you. You gotta be careful with him. He bit Michelle on the nose good. Came right at her face. Hello, Gizmo. Pretty bird. Moving on, and this is our Lexi. Say hi, Lexi. Hello. She's eating lunch right now. She talks a little bit too. Let's see if we can get her to talk. Hey, what you doing?
Huh?
Huh? No, she's busy eating right now. She's not gonna say much. And moving on, and here we have, last but not least, Goosey, our blue front Amazon. She's a sweetheart. Hi, Goose. Hi, Goosey. What you doing? Huh, honey? Hello? All right, I don't want you out with Big Bird and the big birds. So, she's full-flighted. Oh, yeah?
Huh?
Hello?
Huh?
Pretty bird. Hi.
Huh?